Okay, so welcome to part 3 of our discussion on components of a vector. Here in this part, I am going to present to you um, problem solving situations or worded problems that is commonly given by your teachers or your instructors. So, basahin lang natin, what are the x and y components of a displacement vector with a magnitude of 50 meters and an angle of 30 degrees. So, i-drawing lang ulit natin. Let's draw a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane lang. And then, with a magnitude of 50 meters and an angle of 30 degrees. So, ang ating vector, let's use red, ang magnitude ng ating vector ay 50 meters. Okay. So, since wala naman siyang nilagay ng direction, 30 degrees lang ang nakalagay, ibig sabihin, you're just going to start from the positive x-axis. Mag-start ka lang dito. So, gaganon lang yung angle. This is 30 degrees. Okay? So, this is the drawing of your problem number 1. So, try natin. Before we start, you have to identify all the given first para hindi kayo malito. Your given are the following. So, you have your A, which is 50 meters, and you also have your angle, which is 30 degrees. Okay, so identify your required or kung ano yung hinahanap niya ay ang AX at AY. So what are the equations that you have to use? You have AX is equal to A cosine theta and AY is A sine theta. Okay, so for your solution, ay ano mo lang, your AX, i-write lang muna natin, and then your A, 50 meters cosine 30. So your answer is, you have 43.30 meters. That is your AX. Now to box that final answer, and then for your AY, you just write the equation para hindi ka mawala, and then 50 sine, okay lang din naman na hindi nyo nailagay yung M dito, okay lang. So, 30, so your answer here is 25 meters. I-solve nyo, you can solve this on your own para naman at least may maano din natin. So, ipakita natin dun sa may graph. Ano ibig sabihin ngayon yan? So, itong vector na ito, gamit tayo ng ibang color, gamit tayo ng green. So, itong vector po na ito, meron siyang x and y component. This is the ax and this is the ay. Ang value ng ax natin ay 43.30 meter. Dito naman po sa AY natin ay 25 meter. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy. So, for your example number 2, a vector located in the second quadrant has an x component of negative 80 meter at an angle of 20 degrees as shown in the figure below. Find the magnitude of the vector and its y component. So this problem is kind of different kasi you will not be looking for your ax and your ay na pair. Ang hahanapin mo dito ay yung magnitude of the vector and your y component. So, you will be looking for your a and you will be looking for your ay. Ang given lang po natin ay si negative 80 meters at si 20 degrees as described in the drawing. So your negative 80 is your x component. So you have to really take note of these following givens so that you will be able to solve the problems properly. So let's do it. Identify all your given. It's very important to take note of the negative sign. Why? Why is this negative? As discussed in the previous video, okay, anong ibig sabihin po ng negative? Ibig sabihin, x component na negative, nasa left ba siya or nasa right? Ibig sabihin, nasa left siya, kaya siya negative. Okay? So you just have to write it all down. Okay, for your given, you have your AX is equal to negative 80 meters. Sulat mo yung negative because it's important. Kailangan mo siyang i-take note. Hindi mo siya kailangang i-leave. Now, for your theta, ang given mo dito ay 20 degrees. Pero, kailangan mong kunin yung angle na manggagaling ka sa positive x-axis. So, if you are going to look for that, gamit po tayo ng ibang color, gamit tayo ng blue, mag-start ka po dito and then hanggang doon. Okay? So, this is 90 and then this is 20. So, ang answer mo dito ay 110 degrees. So, ang gagamitin mong angle ay hindi yung 20, kundi it's 110 degrees. Okay? So, for your required, what are you trying to solve? You have to solve for your A and you have to solve for your AY. Okay, so we have two equations na ginagamit natin. You have your AX is equal to A cosine theta and AY A sine theta. Okay, so these are your equations. Pero, ang hinahanap natin ay A. Unahin muna natin si A. Hanapin. Okay, so ano ang given natin? Ang given natin ay si AX. Okay? And then, A ang hinahanap. So, ano ang possible na equation na pwede mong gamitin? Saan dyan yung merong A and merong AX? Is this first equation or the second equation? Of course, it's the second equation. Kaya gagamitin mo for this part 1 of their solution is going to use this. AX is equal to A cosine theta. Now, you are looking for your A. Paano yan? So, ang gagawin mo dyan, you are just going to derive the equation. Turuan kita kung paano mag-derive. A cosine theta. Kailangan mong i-isolate si A. Kailangan ma-separate si A. So, what will you do? Cosine, you divide both sides by cosine theta. Because this will be cancelled out. Okay, so your solution will be A is equal to AX over cosine theta. And then you're just going to input your given. So your AX is negative 80 meters, and then your cosine, which is cosine 110. So ang magiging sagot mo dito ay 233.90 meters. You have to always remember to write the proper unit. Are we done? No, not yet, because we will still be looking for your, ano bang hinahanap natin? We'll be looking for your AY. Now that you have already found your A, you can use this equation already. Okay? You can use that equation. So, we're just going to write A sine theta. What's your A? This is your A. Ayan. So, pwede mo nang hanapin si AY kasi meron ka ng A. So, your A is 233.90. And then, sine 110. Okay? So, i-input mo lang yan sa calculator. your AY, ang answer mo na ay 219.80 meters. Okay? Yun na yun. Yun na yung final answer. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung sign ng ating AY. Yung sign ng ating AY ay positive. Okay? Bakit? Kasi nasa taas siya. Diba? Nasa taas. Dito. O sa taas. So, since nasa taas siya, ibig sabihin, magiging positive yan. Ang naging negative ay yung AX kasi towards the left po yung direction ng ating AX. Yun. Yun lamang po. And I hope that naintindihan po natin kung paano kumuha ng components ng isang vector.